In this video, I'll show you how to extract numbers from text in Excel using basic and much more advanced methods. To extract the last number from a text string, manually type the first number in the column next to the data. Press Ctrl E. Excel automatically detects the pattern and returns the last number. Let's look at a more complex example. Here, numbers are mixed with various characters. Flash fill provides inconsistent results. Some numbers are extracted correctly, while others are missed or merged with text. Let's see how to use the powerful GETNUMBERS function. To add the code into your workbook, press Alt plus F11 to reach the VBA editor. Right-click on the file name, then click Module to insert a new one. Copy the code and paste it. Finally, save the workbook as a macro-enabled format. To extract the first number from the cell, type GETNUMBERS. Select the cell that contains text. Use F as a second argument and press Enter. In the second example, you want to extract the third number from the cell. Type GETNUMBERS. Use 3 as a second argument, then press Enter to get the third number. If you want to extract the last number from the cell, use L as a second argument. To get all numbers from the cell, use the GETNUMBERS function without a second argument. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned.